hi, Tom. Say hi, Dave. Where's Big Tom? What you doing, Kevin?
Cleaning out a dirty heat pump for our lovely customer.
Why are we doing that?
Just because we love our customers, you know. We treat them with the utmost respect and care, and plus it was dirty, so.
Why is it in the shop? We must not love them that much. We took their air conditioner.
Bad compressor, man.
We're replacing the compressor today.
Oh,
Kevin,
yeah. A little fun activity, you know.
We're gonna make a documentary of Kevin's first compressor. It's like a baby book. There's Big Tom. Say hi, Big Tom.
Hi, how you doing, buddy?
What's up? We're making a documentary of Kevin changing the compressor out.
Oh, brother.
I'll splice it all together and we'll make a beautiful video with music. We pulled it so that they're building additions. We're going to put it somewhere else.
Are you putting changes to the driveway?
Yep. We're documenting Kevin's
Kevin losing his compressor virginity.
Oh!
Pop, press the chart.
Pop!
Can I cut here, then start cutting through?
Yeah.
What in my world? I'm a black redneck.
We're in a colorblind world.
Oh yeah.
We might not be able to cut that one. Black redneck. We're not missing any of this action now.
Since I learned how to use my striker.
Yeah. Kevin's learning how to use a striker. Today, Kevin. Here, man. What you want to do is you want to get pressure pushing down on the. There you go.
I got you.
Not as much of a jump this time.
I got you. Ready?
Yeah, man. Kevin's learning. You have to go around it a couple times once it starts to get a little hot. This is gonna be a little trickier because I may have to move the whole compressor for this one.
I gotta learn how to get steady hands, y'all.
Try to get it up in here. Like that's where you want to be, right there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, because that's where that's where your joint is.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Just keep it moving around. You gotta try to get the whole thing hot. That's why I don't like doing heat solder. That's the other reason. Gotta keep it right. See it starting to turn? Melt a little, yeah.
Can you get in there?
I don't know. See it melting on it?
Yeah, see it. It's close. Oh, long burn, man.
It's not gonna burn me. Gotta keep the torch on the.
It's coming. It's coming. There you go.
Oh, come on, compressor, come loose. There we go. Fire! Woo! Now picture if that had pressure behind it.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, it stink, man. You don't want it to melt back on there, right?
Tell us of your experience, Kevin.
Scary as hell.
Now what are you doing, Kevin? I thought we were changing the compressor out.
Yeah. Two things at once.
Look at this.
Plasma cut. So we got a big day ahead of us tomorrow. And doing compressor. We can be multi-talented. Ready, man?
Kevin putting the dryer in. Kevin's second time brazing. So we're going to help him a little bit. See how it's getting red? Yeah. You can back it off a little bit. Add some more. See how we can back the heat off and keep it from turning to water?
Right.
Now you're going to add some more. Just let it lay it on there, don't paint it. There you go. Now let's take a look at it. How we do? See Kevin's workmanship.
Is that a hole? Like a hole, man. Oh, I gotta get that right there, friend.
We'll check it. We'll check it out.
I ain't get the.
What's that?
I ain't get that part right there.
We'll get it.
Okay. The rest of it looks good, other than that part.
Yep. I'll show you how to get it. Back after resoldering. How we look, Kevin?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect,
Sweet.
man. Thanks to my buddy Fred, man.
We'll get you right. Okay, time for the compressor.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how strong Kevin's muscles are.
Is it a method or no?
What's that?
Is it a method for this or no?
Well, it's
It is what
Kevin,
it
you're a
is.
redneck, man. People that are rednecks can figure some stuff out now.
All right.
Sometimes a little twist will help. Right, you're going with it. You're still like the fledgling stages of being a redneck. That's it. Whoops. This could very well be the first compressor change out.
I ever do.
No, well that yes, but with a plasma machine cutting duck in the background.
Oh yeah. Turn it, Fred. Go. Baby, give it up.
Now, we want to take this and drop it back in there, then we'll bolt it in place. Live with the legs, not with the back. It's hard, you gotta remember to do that. As much as you can. That's right. There we go. Now we're gonna bolt it in. Back with our expert Kevin, or brazier Kevin.
Oh yeah.
Now we realize we're not using nitrogen, but
How could we? Well, yeah, how could we?
we can't exactly use it. You're hot enough now. Back off the heat a little bit. Keep it hot, but don't keep it that hot. You want to keep it where it's not, the brazier's kind of thick a little bit.
That was a lot, man.
You gotta back it off even more. Here's a trick for it. As you go ahead and keep it on there. It's looking good, but take your stick and just lay it. Heat it up. See if we just lay it on there?
It's slow.
Or just lays on there. See how it's nice and built up?
Right.
We can check it.
Back off.
Yeah.